Hey, good day to you. We are going to talk about how do I print out a seating chart or how do I save it as a file. So the example I'm going to give you is of my senior leadership group where I have come to that class. I click on, this is actually an activity that's part of Cedar Falls High. I'm going to click on my seating chart icon. And this seating chart has been saved in here. It is a chart that I ran alphabetically without any tables or chairs. I just prompted it to alphabetically align them within the section. So I'll zoom out here so that you can see all of their great faces in one little block there. It is an alphabetical picture with the face, name with the face kind of system so that I can actually see who are a part of this activity. And I am now able to print this out or save this file. So one of the things that happens is if you hit print from this directly is you will come up in portrait immediately. That's default. And that may just be so small for you, but it might be perfect. If you would like to change it to landscape, that might be better for you. It would make those pictures bigger. But I want you to know about an opportunity to make the pictures even bigger yet, if you would like. And that is just by zooming a little bit on those faces and running the print icon again. And previewing, is this a better simulation of what you would like? I will point out in this video, the faces are grayed out because we don't have school today. So if this is run on a day that we do have school, you would be able to see bright, shiny pictures of each student. At this time, you can save this as a PDF. That's a part of your print system. So if I save it as a PDF, it becomes a hard file and it could be saved to my desktop, for example, and it becomes a seating chart that I can just look at occasionally. Second option is I can hit print and I can change that then obviously to any printer that is best for you. There are color printers or black and white printers, whatever works the best for you. Access that and print. And you will have a great day reviewing your students' names with their pictures. Thanks for watching.